Hi guys, it's me again, Leyra, and welcome back to my channel. We're gonna be alright. For this video, I will be unboxing my Farberware stand mixer. So this item was bought by my husband for my birthday 2 years ago. I think that was 2020 when he bought it for me, and I just haven't had the chance to unbox it and open it, but today is the day and we will unbox it together. So without further ado, let's get started. This is the Farberware 4.7 quart stand mixer. It is a 600 watt motor with die-cast metal body. The accessories included are the chef's whisk, mixing paddle, dough hook, and the splash guard. I am new to all these items, so please bear with me. I am not a pro in baking, but let's see what happens next. So I'm gonna open it. I'm so excited. I'm doing it sideways because I can't reach it. Okay. Hi, Chewy boy. Mommy. Yes, baby. So, oh! Oh! Okay. I told you I'm new to this. I'm not a pro. There you go. So let's put this aside first. So this one is the dough hook. This is the chef's whisk. And then this is the mixing paddle. And then this is the splash guard. So this is the stainless steel bowl. It's 4.7 quart. There. And then it has 6 speeds with pulse function. So yeah, I think that's the unboxing part. I'm gonna show it to you how it looks like. So this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. Okay. Let's try it. How do you put this one? Okay. So I'm gonna turn it on. So let's try it with the splashing guard. That's how it looks like. There you go. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys liked this unboxing video that I did. It was just a quick unboxing. I haven't used it, so stay tuned for the review video. And I'm probably gonna use it to bake some cookies, so watch out for that video too. So yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below what you think. But yeah, thank you guys for watching.